In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to create a pie chart. A pie chart is useful when you want to show relative proportions or contributions to a whole. A pie chart can use only one data series. Pie charts are most effective with a small number of data points. Generally, a pie chart should use no more than 4 slices or data points. The fewer the better. A pie chart with too many data points can be very difficult to interpret or can be even misleading. Excel makes it easy to insert pie charts. First, highlight the area with the data. Then go to Insert, and then across to Charts. Click on the small icon with a circle, and here click on the top one. And here is your pie chart. We should mention here that people are not very good in interpreting angles, which is how pie charts display data. We need to assist the audience by adding data labels to our chart. Click on the chart area and then on the green plus sign. Click on the little triangle beside data labels and click here on More Options. Untick Value, tick Percentage, untick Show Leader Lines. In the Label Position section, select Outside End. As a pie chart shows relative proportions or contributions to a whole, the data labels should always show percentages. If you want to learn more about formatting the chart, my formatting tutorial will give you some tips. But let me show you something here. As mentioned before, the number of wedges should not exceed 4. But the best way to use a pie chart is to highlight just one segment to support a single number. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get updates when new videos come out.